Hi guys, this part 3 video actually finishes off the part 2 activities. Due to the YouTube 15-minute limit, we ran out of time on part 2, and where we were up to was we were putting this winner sign on the finish post, and when the horse comes and collides with that little red square we made just in here, we had some ActionScript code that we were going to put in there to make the collision get detected, and when it did get detected, this sign here, winner, would become visible. Right at the start we'd make it invisible so that you could just see the finish post, and when we finish we were going to use some ActionScript to make it visible. So we're going to go back slightly and redo the last part of part 2 video where it ended. Then we'll continue going on from that right through the ActionScript to have this all finished so that the horse can come zooming along there, hit the finish post, and winner can be displayed. So let's get to it. Alright, so here's our game. Let's click the start. Horse 6 is racing away there towards the finish line, and hopefully he's going to hit that little rectangle. Yep, there he did right there. Now notice the rectangle's not even near his head because he's moving kind of in a square. Think of him as a box there, and that box has hit our little box and stopped. So that is all working very nicely. Now the last thing we want to do, if we've got time, is where it says finish here, we want a message to appear that says winner. That's what happens in our finished game, the final game. So we need to make a box with a message written on it, winner, and we need to put it there, and that's what we're going to work on next. Alright, so I'm going to get the rectangle tool. I'm going to have it gray, and I'm just going to draw a box here about the right size, and then I'm going to put some text on it that says winner using the text tool. Alright, so I think we know how to do that sort of stuff. Oh, I better show you how to type that. So that we can have it going downwards, we're just going to use white. Let's use something formal like Arial black. Alright, so you type your W in capitals, then you press enter to go down. You press I, then enter, N, enter, N, enter, E, enter, R, enter. That'll give you a downways kind of text box thing happening. So let's just move along with this. And okay, now I was going to make that text yellow. See if we can change that quickly. Yep, that's all right. Now we need to combine those things together. Remember in part 1 we had to do that with our message box for the instructions for the game, so we'll just do that. And what we'll do is, remember, modify and combine objects in union to join those guys together. Now something went wrong there with the text box. It's disappeared, so we'll just have to work on fixing that. Okay, that was a mistake to combine it, so I've just used Control-Z to go backwards. I'm going to use the black arrow tool and highlight both of them again and go modify, convert to symbol. This one's going to be a movie clip. It's going to be called text MC, okay, because it's the writing text, and we're just going to say okay, and now we should be able to slide that guy over to there. Alright, now we want to make him invisible when the line game horse starts, and only make it appear when it reaches the finish line. Now I'm really running short of time here on this tutorial, but we'll see if we can just squeeze that in. Okay guys, quick as, because we're running out of time. That winner message is there at the moment. Now if we just click in the ActionScript, make sure we're in frame 2 here, and window actions, what we need to do at the start of this is make that winner message invisible. So we've made text MC, the visible property of it, set it to false here. That means that when our race starts, it'll actually be invisible and you won't see that winner thing there. Now, where we had this do nothing here, we don't want to do nothing. When that horse 6 comes and hits the rectangle, the finish post marker that we put on there for the collision, we want this to become true. We want our message to display, so we change that to true. We want the text message to become visible. All right, so let's just try that out really quickly, guys. There's our movie. We start, the horse is off and racing towards that finish line. His head's going to hit that little rectangle and the winner message comes up. All right, that's it for part 2 of our tutorial. Just something I didn't mention was on winner, make sure that on that you make an instance name of text MC down here to link it into the Actionscript code you've got. All right, you'll be able to find the code and all the information on our website. Check the YouTube information for the link, and thank you very much.